Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
Welcome to this easy guide on buying Bitcoin using your debit card on crypto. Com. In this video, I will explain how to buy Bitcoin on crypto. Com with a debit card. We'll walk through each step, making it straightforward for you to get started. You'll learn how to link your card, initiate a purchase, and understand important details like fees and limits. Let's dive in and make your first Bitcoin purchase a breeze. To begin, open your crypto. Com app and tap the Buy button on the home screen. Next, select Bitcoin and then choose Add Payment Method. Here, you will input your debit card information, such as the card number, your name, the expiration date, and the 3-digit CVV code. A small amount, typically around 10 cents, will be temporarily held to verify your card, ensuring a secure transaction process. Once your debit card is successfully linked, you are ready to buy Bitcoin. From the Buy screen, select Bitcoin from the wide array of cryptocurrencies available. Then, simply enter the amount you wish to purchase. Make sure your linked debit card is selected as the payment method. Finally, confirm your transaction using your unique passcode or biometric verification, and your Bitcoin will be purchased almost instantly. It's important to be aware of fees and limits when buying Bitcoin. Direct debit card purchases usually come with a fee, often around 2.99%. However, new users often benefit from zero card fees during their initial 7 days. Daily purchase limits can vary by region and verification level, sometimes around $1,000 for debit card transactions. Always consult the Crypto.com app for the most up-to-date information on specific fees and limits.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.